Hello bachcho, let us look into the question. The question says that the bulk of DNA forms the major peak during density gradient centrifugation. The other small peaks are referred to as. Let us look into it. So basically, the key concept is DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting. Now, what happens in DNA fingerprinting? That it is based on the principle of polymorphism, and this DNA fingerprinting was discovered by Alec Jeffreys. Apart from that, what we see that by the comparison of this DNA fingerprinting samples, we can carry out the paternity and crime tests. Now moving further, जब हम बात करते हैं डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग की, तो जीनोम का एक सैंपल which is taken from a cell, and in the DNA what we see that mostly there are repetitive sequences that forms the bulk of this genome. Now when we carry out the gradient centrifugation, density gradient centrifugation, we acquire two peaks. The first peak, bulk, that is of bulk DNA, was the major peak, and the other peak obtained was the small peak, or you can say minor peak, a small peak. And this small peak, it represented the satellite DNA, which includes VNTR, STR, and mini satellite and microsatellite. Mini satellite and microsatellite. Whenever we talk about microsatellite, it includes nucleotide less than 5, that is less than 5. And whenever we talk about the mini satellite repeats, it is the nucleotide, in this the nucleotide number is more than 5. So this is the satellite that shows up a small peak during the density gradient centrifugation carried out while testing for the DNA fingerprinting. Thus we may say that the other small peaks are referred to as satellite DNA. Let us conclude it that option A is right. Hope you all understood. All the best.